Okay, so here we are. This is Connor's breakfast. Breakfast in the great outdoors.
Yeah.
We have an update for our little birds. These are a little hummingbird nest. I haven't seen the mom around lately, but check out these birds. They look like they're getting ready to fly out of here. They look like real birds.
Yeah.
And they look like they're just kind of like getting a little bit too big for that thing. Like they're filling it up. Like they're just gonna pop right out of there. Wonder how they fly. When they learn how to fly, they only get one shot, basically, right? And if they try to fly and they fail, they'll just fall down there. And then what? They can't get back up there. So that's it for today. That's the Nature Club video for today, Connor.
Yep.